everybody, Moon Bughead here. As the official representative for Yahoo Farm, I would like to welcome you all to Yahoo Farm. Now today, we're gonna bake a Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake. Now the Yahoo Farm Halloween party is tonight. Now everybody knows that a Halloween party is not a party without a Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake pull. So let's get started. 1 box of spice cake mix, 4 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of oil, 1/2 a cup of water, 1/2 a cup of sugar, a can of pumpkin, and spices. All right, I do have all the ingredients ready. Now the first thing we need to do is to preheat the oven to 325 degrees F, or for our metric friends, 165 degrees C. Excellente! That's a beauty cake baking fire. Next, we're going to combine all our cake ingredients. Mix together well. Now you can use an electric mixer if you have one. Just keep mixing until it looks like everything is totally mixed up. A hand crank mixer is faster than an electric mixer if you don't have electricity. Just thought you'd like to know. Now that looks totally mixed up. Next, we're going to do the bun. I'm going to spray it with a good coating of non-stick baking spray. Don't want the party cake to get stuck in the bun. That'd make it a bummer cake. All right now, it's time for the batter to meet the bun. Couple of good bumps to even out the batter, and it's ready for the oven. All right, now in about 55 minutes, our cake will be ready. Molto bello. All right, my cake is cooked. Smells like I want to eat it. Now the cake does need to cool for about 15 minutes. While the cake chills out, I'll make the yummy frosting. 2 cups of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 6 tablespoons of milk, all into a mixing bowl. All right now, let's get started. Mixing it up is my passion. All right. Now you can find the recipe for Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Cake here at yahoofarm.com. Now for the fun part. Transforming the cake into a Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Cake Pull. In the kit you'll find cake pull contents, cake pull instructions, cake pull charm meaning, Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Cake recipe, Moon Bughead place card, the doily, the Halloween cake topper, and the charms and pull strings. Now just follow the instructions. The first thing we need to do is put the strings into the charms. Now you just take the string, fold it over on itself here, make a loop. Take the loop end and put it through the charm, like that, and then take the loose ends of the string and run them through the loop. And your charm is ready. Now there are 13 charms in a Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Pull Kit. Be sure to order enough charms for all your Halloween party guests. I have 11 friends coming to my Yahoo Farm Halloween party, plus myself, so one pack will do. Start by laying the charms along the edge of the cake plate. Space them out evenly around the plate with the pull strings hanging off the plate. Make sure the charms will be hidden under the cake. If you're really anal, you can use a tape measure. Parfait! Next, lay the doily over the charms before you put the cake on the cake plate. Time to take the cake out of the bun. We have cake. Now the cake does need to cool to room temperature before I apply the frosting. So while the cake is resting, I'm going to get my Halloween costume together. I want Halloween party cake! Party cake! Party cake! All right, now it's time to put the proverbial icing on the cake. All right, the Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Cake Pull is ready. Now, if you don't have time to bake a delicious Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Cake, you can transform any ordinary cake into a Halloween Party Cake with the Yahoo Farm Halloween Party Pull Kit. On a cake platter, lay out the charms. Lay a doily over the charms and set a store-bought cake on the cake platter. stick the Halloween cake topper on the cake. If you don't like cake, a pie can be substituted. On a pie plate, lay out the charms. Lay a doily over the charms and set the pie on the plate. Stick the Halloween pie topper in the pie. If you don't like a cake or a pie, you can use cupcakes. On a cake platter, lay out the charms. Lay a doily over the charms and set the cupcakes on the platter. Stick the Halloween cupcake topper in a cupcake. Then you'll have a Yahoo Farm Halloween party cupcake pull. Now, I'm not saying that Yahoo Farm Halloween party cake is the best in all 9 known universes, though that does go without saying.